boss, bitch.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Tez, and I got my single turbo 335 right here. This is just gonna be a short video, so to speak. It's just like a little update on the plans I have for it. What's been going on. I haven't really been doing much with the car. It's really been sitting. But for those who are new to this channel, I have a 2007 BMW 335i. It's an E92, as you can see. It's full bolt on. Got my keys and stuff back there. It's full bolt on. Has a 7.5-inch VRSF 1000 wheel horsepower, intercooler, like pretty much everything that you could think about. Full bolt on with a 335i. It has a M54 motor with a JP Works manifold, dual tile wastegates. I think they're 38 millimeter or 40. I really don't know. I bought it used off somebody, the whole kit. It has a full 3.5-inch. I wouldn't say full. It's all the way back to where the mufflers are. Up until that point, it's 3.5-inch before they split. It has a 3.5-inch downpipe right here. It's a stock motor car, but I just want to give a huge shout out to all the new subscribers that's been subscribing to the channel. It's been so surreal. I just created this channel a little over 2 years ago, and this year it really took off for me. So I'm just like, I'm in awe every time I come back to the channel, look at the numbers and everything. We just hit 2,000 subscribers. What's today's date? Today is the 12th, I would say. But yeah, I had this channel a little bit over 2 years, so just this year it took off. So yeah, I'm grateful more than anything. It's a blessing to be able to build a car, and the way that I'm growing and where I'm headed, like I'll be able to take care of my family and everything. Just building a car and racing it, and doing what I love. So I definitely want to give a huge shout out to all the new subscribers, all the OGs. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all, dearly. I wouldn't be anywhere if it wasn't for y'all. So something happened to the transmission. I have a automatic 6HP 21 transmission. It's a 6AT for this car, flash with XHP stage 3. Oh, and the car is tuned by Doc Vu as well. It's on a 93 octane map, direct injection, no port injection. I have port, but I haven't installed it, and everything. I'm upgrading the injectors. I just recently sold my 550cc injectors to a buddy of mine. So I'm in the process of getting this car ready to be, road racing. So I recently bought, I dropped a video, but I took it back down. I don't know, I didn't like the turnout of it, but I put some Nitto NT05s on the rear and whatnot. The car is pretty much reliable, like in my opinion, outside of just little mishaps that I didn't, like I overlooked little things, and it cost me as far as the transmission goes. So I'm gonna put up a little clip. This transmission is hurt. The clutch E on this trans is hurt, so that clutch is like one of the main clutches used to engage in most of the gears, almost all the gears in the transmission. So I was racing the F90 M5. I anti-lagged from third like really hard, and when it went like the top of third to go shift, it just literally like it wouldn't, I don't know, it didn't engage, it didn't go to fourth, it just went out of gear, and then that was that. It doesn't go into fourth gear. It doesn't go anything past third gear. So it'll go in third, first, second, and third easily. But I knew it was coming, because when I got this car and everything with this transmission that's in it, I only did the fluid and the filter on the transmission. I should have just went ahead and did the full service, which is shift solenoids, the mechatronic seals, fluid, and a filter. But I skipped over it. That only lasted, I would say, for about 4 months with me just doing the fluid and the filter. But you know, don't bash this transmission. This transmission is good, but I would suggest, like, if you're going to be going single turbo with an auto 6 HP 21, fully service the transmission before you do anything, because you know it's hurting me now. I got to go back in and do this. But yeah, so that happened. Everything else is good with the car. The only codes I have for as far as check engine related codes is the O2 sensor on bank 1. Other than that, this car really, it runs great. Like, it idles perfectly smooth. These plugs I have in the car are like 1.5 years old. And the car, like, it idles smooth, it pulls. I can beat on this on 93 and I have fun with it. You know, I change the oil when I'm supposed to. I still got a couple things, like a lot of little things with this car that I got to do, but that's the fun in building these cars. It's the fun and everything with y'all seeing the whole process of this. So I know it's a lot of people out here with M54s, 335s that want to go single turbo, and it's only been a handful of people that I know that were big, that were documenting their process of dealing with an M54 and everything that comes with it. It's only a handful of people I know. Like, right now, I don't know too many people. That's the max solenoid priming that are doing this. So it's just a blessing to be able to do this and have people, you know, and have a lot of support and a lot of people behind me. So I'm going to make this short, I'm going to be swapping in a diesel trans that came out of the 335D on these cars. Well, not this car, but the 335s. It's a diesel transmission. Stock, they hold about 1,000 torque. So I'm going to be swapping that into this pretty soon. I would say towards the end of October, early November-ish. That's why I haven't really been posting videos like that. I've been just posting shorts and posting on my Instagram. Y'all should just follow me over on Instagram, because when I'm not active on YouTube, I'm active on Instagram. So yeah, I'm going to be swapping in a diesel trans in this and my 335. That way I won't have to worry about no more transmission issues. And it's a little secret to this, because usually when you want to swap in this particular 6 HP 28 with this M54 motor, you'll run into issues as far as the transmission bolting up to this motor. So a couple solutions, well, one main solution it was for that was an adapter plate, pretty much to put on the back of the motor, excuse me, and put the trans on there, and it'll bolt on there. But that adapter plate, I think, is like $3 grand, but it's a way around that. So I know that I found the transmission already, and I found the secret to it. I'm not gonna say anything about it until like I really do it. But yeah, that's really what I'm waiting on, honestly. And then I'm just planning on making like crazy videos, like taking a car out of state, taking it to Michigan. I got a couple. I know somebody that I talk to here and there that's from Michigan like me, and he has a Camaro Z01, and his name is Tez. But everybody know I'm the real Tez. You feel me? No, I'm just playing. But I'm gonna be up there like I got big plans for this car. Taking it to Florida. Like I want to do a lot with this car. I want to do a lot with my channel. So I appreciate everybody, you know, being patient with me, being patient with this process. Anybody knows building any car really on this type of level, and I know it's not nothing crazy, just stock motor, single turbo M54. It takes time. It really takes time. So I wanted to make this video not too long, not and whatnot. But yeah, so that's what I'm pretty much going to be doing with this car. I'm going to be swapping in a diesel transmission at 6 HP 28. So that's pretty much it. I appreciate everybody. I appreciate all the new subscribers, all the new supporters. We just hit 2,000 subs. I thank you dearly for that. And we're going to keep going up. So I'll keep y'all posted until I can really get things rolling with this 335. So I just wanted to post an update video with it officially, so everybody knows what's going on with it, and be transparent. Nothing is really perfect. You don't anybody building a car is not smooth, like, at all. But I appreciate everybody rocking with me. Stay tuned for the next video, and I'm gonna catch y'all then. Let's get it.